Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. I am making another Miss A unboxing video. This one's going to be kind of short. This is kind of a follow-up to the first one I made a couple of days ago. And I decided to get more single eyeshadows and an eyeshadow palette and to create my own eyeshadow palette. Create my own. So there's not a lot in here. More color and bubbles and one random piece of paper on it again. Again, all of the single eyeshadows are $1 each. And I bought an empty palette, which was $4. Don't want to come out. People at Miss A really shoved them in here. Got the empty palette out and the 4 eyeshadows that I bought. So, pop a hole in this. Easier to throw away later. It's fun, you just pop one of the bottles and the whole thing just deflates. Easy. So, got 4 eyeshadows in here that I got. And the empty palette. I got this Supreme one. Which has like cloud almost design on it. I don't know exactly how you would describe this one. This is the smallest one, smallest empty palette, which is also the cheapest. There's a couple small ones, but it's the one I decided to get, which is also empty. Comes with a mirror. Yeah, and it's magnetic, so that's how you create your own palette. Just what I'm going to be doing. So, the 4 additional ones I got are XD, which is like a brown. This purpley one called Gemini. So I got this grayish silver one called Elsa. And this bluish one called Wonderland. You can't really tell it. Bright lights in here. And then the other 5 I still have in my room. There we go. Kinda all mismatchy a little bit. So I'm gonna put these 3 together here in a row. These ones are gonna go together. Kind of the odd ones there, actually. There. This is the Taurus one. I'm gonna put these bluish gray ones on the bottom here. It's Taurus. The Wonderland. And then Elsa. See? There's my neck. It's not coming out of there. There. Let's switch it around a bit. This is the XD one, which is like a brown. And then Award, which is the tan. And then this pink one, which is Smitten. And put these 2 pinky ones together. Aquarius. There. And Gemini. It's purple. Purpley. And then this red one is Outcast. Create my own little palette there. I know that it's kind of random colors, but I'm I'm so happy that you're able to like customize your own palette from this. It's amazing. And whenever I feel like changing up, I can do that because it's magnetic. Back of it. Took 5 minutes to build my own palette.